Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, setting a world record that's as bizarre as it is mind-boggling. It all started in 1922 when a seemingly innocuous fall triggered the relentless spasms. Imagine trying to sleep, eat, or even have a conversation with hiccups that just won't quit. Doctors were baffled, and despite numerous treatments, the hiccups persisted. Osborne's daily life was a constant battle, yet he managed to live a fulfilling life, working on his farm and raising a family. The hiccups finally ceased in 1990, just a year before his death, leaving behind a legacy that's both fascinating and incredibly frustrating.